We are on the last page of lesson 11.2 and you guys have been working really, really hard. Keep it up. We are almost there. We're on that home stretch just like we do in class, right? We're going to do some problem solving with perimeter, okay? Question number 9 asks, which of the animal photos has a perimeter of 26 inches? Now remember, perimeter is all the way around the shape. So which picture, which photo, if we add all of the sides, has a perimeter of 26 inches? Well, we can do the guess and check method here. If I take a look here, I've got 5, 8, 5, 8. I can use my doubles to figure out the perimeter. 5 and 5 would make 10 inches. 8 and 8 would make 16 inches. 10 inches plus 16 inches, you're right, 26 inches. The perimeter of this one, the first photo, gives us a perimeter of 26 inches. So we would say the bird photo. If you just want to write bird, that's totally fine. Number 10, how much greater is the perimeter of the bird photo than the perimeter of the cat photo? For this purpose, you might want to remind yourself the perimeter here was 26 inches. Okay, let's find the perimeter of the cat photo. We have 7 inches at the top, 4 inches on the side. 7 inches at the bottom, 4 inches on the side. I can use doubles to help me with this, right? 7 and 7 is 14. 4 and 4 is 8. 14 and 8 makes, you're right, 22. So the perimeter of the cat photo is 22 inches. So how much greater is the perimeter of the bird photo than the cat photo? Well, if we're asking how much bigger something is, are we adding or subtracting? We're comparing numbers, so we are subtracting. So I would take my perimeter of my larger photo, subtract the perimeter of my smaller photo to find the difference. The difference is 4 inches. Now that label inches is going to be very important. Make sure you've written that. All right, moving on, hot problem. Are we scared of hot problems in this class? No, we're not scared of hot problems. We just have to use our brain in a different way. We can do it. It says, Erin is putting a fence around her square garden. Okay, so I'm thinking, all right, we've got a square garden. I'm gonna draw my square here. Each side of her garden is 3 meters long. So this side is 3 meters, this side is 3 meters, this side is 3 meters, and this side is 3 meters. Oh, seems like they're giving us all the answers here. Let's find what the hard part is. The fence costs $5 for each meter. Oh, guys, circle that. That's going to be important. How much will the fence cost? Underline your question. How much will the fence cost? Well, if we know it's $5 for each meter, we need to figure out how many meters there are. A couple different ways you could do it. Repeated addition, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. What multiplication problem could we use? You're right, 3 times 4. Either way, we've got 3, 3, 3, and 3. I could do some skip counting here. 3, 6, 9, 12. Our perimeter is 12 meters. Now, if it costs $5 for each meter, I could skip count by 5 12 times, or if you know your multiplication facts for 5 times 10 and 5 times 2, you could add those together. Either way, you're going to get the same answer, okay? I'll give you some think time. If we broke apart the 12 into a 10 and a 2, we could do 5 times 10. What's 5 times 10? 50, you're right. If we broke it apart into a 5 and a 2, 2 times 5 is 10. What's 50 plus 10? You're right, 60. So the total cost of the fence would be $60. Down here at number 12. Guys, we are almost done. You've worked so hard. Keep going, don't give up. It says Gary's garden is shaped like a rectangle with 2 pairs of equal length, and it has a perimeter of 28 feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw out my rectangle now. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, right? And it has 2 pairs of sides of equal length. Well, we know that. Rectangles have a side here and a side here that are equal, and a side at the top and the bottom that are equal. Now, it has a perimeter of 28 feet, so we know that in total it's 28 feet all the way around. Explain how to find the lengths of the other sides if one side measures 10 feet. Well, I know if that seems like a lot of my 28, 10 seems like a lot, so I'm thinking that's probably going to be my longer side. I'm gonna write my 10 here. Now, if I have two sides of equal length, what's gonna be the length of my top? 10 as well, you're right. So if these two sides are 10, what are gonna be my sides? Well, my perimeter is 28, so if I go 10, 20, how much do I have left to work with? I have my 8 ones, right? If I put 8 over here and 8 over here, no, that won't work because then I'll have 10 plus 10 plus 8 plus 8. That's more than 28. So what do I have to do? I have to divide that 8 between two sides. Oh, 8 divided by 2. I know my division facts, right? What's 8 divided by 2? 4. So 4 over here, 4 over here. Let's check our math really quick. We've got 10 and 10, that's 20, plus 4, 24, plus 4 more, 28. My perimeter is 28. Did we do it? Yes, so we need to explain how to find the lengths of the other sides if one side measures 10 feet. So we could say if one side is 10 feet, the opposite side would be 10 feet as well. Right? Because if we did the bottom is 10 feet, we said the top had to be 10 feet as well, right? Now, to find the other sides, we knew that we had 8 left. 8 feet would be left. We divided that 8 feet between the two sides because we knew it couldn't be 8 feet on both sides, right? So we went 8 feet divided by two sides. And that would be 4 feet per remaining side. You guys are good. Keep going, don't stop. We've got one final problem. It's the easiest one. Test prep questions. These are for amateurs. It says Austin's class is making a poster for Earth Day. What is the perimeter of the poster? All right, take a look. I know my number kind of got in the way here. We've got 9 feet. 9 feet on top, 9 feet on bottom, 6 feet, 6 feet on side, 6 feet on the side. Oh, perimeter is adding the numbers, right? So 9 plus 6 plus 9 plus 6, use your doubles. 9 and 9 makes 18. 6 and 6 makes 12. 18 plus 12, 30. The answer is D, 30 feet. Nice work.